Hi guys, today we will talk about how to enable personal document archiving on your shopping on your Amazon shopping app. Just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. It's going to show for you like this here, and you click here on account, then you just go to next window and you go down here. So you go down and you click here on content interfaces, then it's going to take you to next window. You just waiting to take you to next window here. So then when it's going to show for you like this, you click here on preferences on app, and it's going to take you to next window. So you just waiting to open video, and you go down here, then you click here on personal document settings, and you go down here, then you click here on edit archive settings. Then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on this mark, and like you see now, it's enable personal document archive into my Kindle library. Here you click here on update, and it's going to add video like this. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.